let's do a little wake up this morning. Go ahead and close your eyes, roll your shoulders up to your ears and back and down, exhaling. And do that again, nice deep breath, roll up and back and down. Good, one more time, nice deep breath, roll them up and back and down. Settle into your body. Awesome, blink your eyes open, let's reach the arms all the way up, nice deep breath. And exhale, bringing your hands to your heart and forehead to fingertips. Take a moment here to set an intention for your practice today. And maybe that's just simply being open to all the possibilities that the day might bring. Or maybe it's simply a gratitude if you're using this at the end of your day, grateful for all the amazing things in your life. Cool, lift up your chin, interlace your fingers, press your palms up. Nice deep breath, and then exhale as you shift side to side. Press the palms up and then release your fingers, open and close your hands all the way back down to the mat. Get some blood flowing. Good. Little alternating shoulder roll here. Cool. We're going to come to our hands and knees, you guys, and get this party started. So shoulders are over the wrists, hips are over the knees, and we'll start with some cat-cows. Inhale as you drop your belly down. Exhale, round out your spine, kind of exaggerate this. Inhale, drop the belly down, lift up your chin. Exhale, round out. One more time. Ooh, good stuff. Good, press your hands into the mat. Roll the toes under, lift up the knees just a smidge and shift your hips back to your heels. Stretch out the bottom of your feet. And then we'll send those legs up. Down dog, pedal it out, stretching out through your legs, your hips. Good, from here, let's pick up that right leg and twirl the right ankle around one way and go the other way. Lift a little higher, bend your knee and draw that right heel towards the left side. Finding some openness in the hip, ooh yeah. Good, bring the knees back together, float your right foot back down to your left and just walk those heels up and down. Awesome. Pick up your left leg, twirl that ankle around one way, and then go the other way. Bend your left knee and draw that left heel over towards the right side. Ooh, pressing your right heel down, finding openness in your body. Greeting the day or saying goodbye to the day, depending on when you do this. Bring your knees back together, bring the left foot down and pedal. Good, take your knees wide, toes together, shift your hips back to your heels, stretch out your arms. Good, on an inhale, we'll bring those knees back under the hips, draw the belly down, draw your elbows in close to your ribs, lift up your heart, pull that belly in so you're protecting your low back. Deep breath. Exhale, shift the hips back. Inhale, come forward. Your breath, your body. Just want to feel it in your body. Wakey, wakey. Keep moving. Inhale as you float forward. Exhale as you take it back. Good. Make your way back to your table. Get those knees back under your hips, shoulders over your wrists. Curl the toes under, lift those hips up. Draw the belly in. Make sure you don't forget that piece that helps to strengthen your core. Drop your head down, shake it out. Good, take a walk to the top of your mat. Go ahead and fold over your legs, a little ragdoll here. Bring your attention into your feet, so all four corners of your feet are pressing into the mat. You can even lift up your toes a little bit just to feel that sensation. And then draw the toes down, bend the knees, and rise to the top. This is kind of a lickety-split routine, so it doesn't last long. Exhale, hands to your heart. You just want to get full body motion through here. So inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold your body in half. Let go on the way down. Ooh. Slide your hands to your shins. Be mindful. Shoulders line up with the hips. Draw those shoulder blades towards each other. Neck is long. Exhale, fold fingertips to the mat. We're going to root down into the right foot. Step back with the left. Bend the right knee. Press your left hand into the mat and come into a little twist here. Open, open, open. So reaching the right hand to the sky, left hand presses down, pull your right knee in, press the left heel back. Lots going on. Good, bring the right hand down, bring the left knee down. Root to rise up. So lift your arms up, drop the hips down, pull the belly in to protect your back. Bring your left hand to your right thigh and take your right arm back. Open up, nice deep breath. Tip back, take the right hand to the left thigh, reach the left arm up, and inhale. Exhale, bring your hands down to frame your foot. Let's step it back to a plank just for fun. Draw the belly in. On the exhale, lower your body to the mat. Inhale, lift up your heart. Exhale, bring it back down. Chin comes to the chest. Press up, strong body. Exhale, down dog. Lift up your right foot, and on your exhale, step to the top of your mat, root down into your feet, and rise up. Good job, you guys. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, take it all the way up. Exhale, fold and half let go. Halfway lift. Breathe in. Exhale, fold, fingertips to the mat, root down into your left foot, step back with the right, making your way into your low lunge. So the left knee's over the left ankle, press that right heel back, press your right hand into the mat, turn your heart towards your left knee, take your left arm up. So we press into that left foot, drop the hips down, press the right heel back, open up, draw the left knee in towards center. You got this. Deep breath. Exhale, bring that left hand down, bring the right knee down. Pull your belly in, root down into the left foot, bring the arms all the way up. Nice deep breath. Exhale, right hand to the left thigh, left arm goes back. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down to frame your foot, step back to your plank, strong, strong, strong. Press away from the mat. Take a breath, and on the exhale, lower your body down to the mat. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, bring it on down. Curl those toes under, chin towards your chest. Press up to your push-up, and then your down dog. Pedal it out. Left leg lifts, and exhale. Step to the top of your mat. Root down into your feet and rise to the top. Exhale, hands to your heart. Take a moment here. Let's do a little bit of balancing. So we're going to root down into both feet. Take your weight into your right foot. Both arms come up, one-legged mountain pose. Lifting up the left knee. Flex your left foot, right? So everything's engaged here. Arms go wide, take a breath. Leg extends. Exhale, arms go up. Good, let's take it into an airplane. Just push out towards the front, press the leg back. Take the arms wide. Bring it back up to one-legged mountain pose. Nice deep breath. And exhale, bring it down, shake it out. Shake it. Bounce a little bit, get the lymph going. Awesome. Let's try it on the other side, you guys. Root down into your left foot. Inhale, bring the right knee up. Take the arms wide, extend that leg out. When we do that, you guys, you want to pull the belly in, lift up your heart. Good, reach your arms all the way up, bend that knee. Let's go flying. Press your hands forward, press the leg back. Pull the belly in, take the arms wide. Come back up to that one-legged mountain pose. Good, bring your foot down, bring your hand down, step it wide. Spin it out, little bounce, little bounce. Shake it out. Make your way down to the mat. Good, sit up nice and tall. Creating a little V with your knees to your shoulders. Pick your feet up for a little boat. Good, bring the feet down, bring the head, neck, and shoulders down. Bring your knees to your chest. And rock your body side to side. Good, bring your feet to the mat, take your arms wide, shift your hips left, pick your feet up, then lower your knees right for a little twist here. Let your breath Slow down. Let your shoulders soften. Come back to the center. Plant your feet on the mat. Lift your hips up enough to scooch them to the right. Pick your feet up as you take an inhale, and then exhale to the left. Turn your head right and settle in. Good. Come back to the center. Plant your feet on the mat. Slide your heels down to the corners of your mat, arms to the corners of your mat. Point your toes, extend through your fingers, and take a great big breath in as you stretch out your whole body. And exhale. One more time, deep breath. And exhale. Bring your arms down by your sides. You can stay right here and just allow your body to rest completely. Noticing the sensations in your body, tingling in your hands and feet, a heaviness of sweet release in your body. Good. And if you're gonna hang with me, you're gonna go ahead and bend those knees, shift your hips to one side and roll to the other side. And just pause. Place the top hand onto the mat and then push yourself back up to a seat. Thanks for joining me for this quick practice today. Let's take one more nice deep breath as you reach up and then exhale your hands to your heart. Remember, yoga practice doesn't mean a whole hour or 90 minutes. You can calm your nervous system down and find some peace in just 10 or 15 minutes. Thanks for showing up for you today. From my heart to yours, namaste.